Lithuanian national costumes. Lithuanian villages were still wearing traditional folk costumes at the end of the 19th century and later in some areas. The costumes of each of the Lithuania's ethnic regions were unique, decorative, and expressive of that particular area's and individual's characteristics. Men's clothing worn on Sundays and festive occasions were quite soberly colored. Lithuanian men wore greatcoats and short jackets of dark and undyed wool. In most regions, trousers and vests were of the same color as the rest of their suits, though bright plaids and stripes were popular in most areas. High-cut leather boots, bright woven sashes, and felt hats decorated with peacock or rooster feathers were common throughout Lithuania. In general, women's clothes were more picturesque than men's and displayed many traditional regional characteristics. A typical woman's costume consisted of a white linen skirt, a decorated bodice, and an apron. In addition, women often wore large shawls or stoles draped over their shoulders. These costumes were completed with elaborate headdresses, jewelry, and various accessories. Women's clothing of the Aukštaitija region retained many archaic characteristics. Married women in this land wore normetas, tied white linen sashes or wimples, as head coverings. Normetas and other white fabrics were decorated with red ornamentation. The dominance of the color white in their costumes lent married women in Aukštaitija dignity and solemnity. The women of Dzūkija wore colorful, finely checkered skirts and aprons decorated with bright, playful designs. Lace, crochet, interweaving, and embroidery adorned clothes were common in this region. Women's apparel in Suvalkija was traditionally richly colored. Bright overlay patterns against dark backgrounds characterized aprons in this region. White linen items in Suvalkija were particularly artfully and delicately made. Women's stoles, skirts, and kerchiefs sported intricately grafted lace and white borders. Women's garments in the Klaipėda region, Lithuania Minor, Mažoji Lietuva, in the second half of the 19th century were somberly colored and elegantly proportioned. Skirts, kerchiefs, stoles, and capes were especially woven and creatively embroidered. In this region, knitted gloves, mittens, and stockings sported colorful and infinite patterns.